The HTML DOM introduction. What is DOM? DOM is short form of Document Object Model. The DOM is a W3C World Wide Web Consortium standard. The DOM defines a standard for accessing to the documents. The W3C DOM is separated into three different parts. Core DOM is a standard model for all document types. XML DOM is standard model for XML documents, and HTML DOM is standard model for HTML documents. What is the HTML DOM? The HTML DOM is a standard object model and programming interface for HTML. It defines the HTML elements as objects, the properties of all HTML elements, the methods to access all HTML elements, the events for all HTML elements. In other words, the HTML DOM is a standard for how to get, change, add, or delete HTML elements. How to get, change, add, or delete HTML elements. In this lecture, I want to teach you how to find and access HTML elements in an HTML page. I go to File, Save As, JavaScript, Section 5.1. Delete all of them, here. Okay, DOM element, save, open in browser. Okay, the easiest way to find an HTML element in the DOM is by using the element ID. For example, I create a paragraph, set ID, welcome, hello world, create another paragraph, JavaScript is fun, and another one, set ID demo, in JavaScript code I create a variable my element equals document dot get element by ID welcome, and document dot get element by ID, demo dot inner HTML equals the text from welcome paragraph is plus my element this dot inner HTML. Save, refresh. Hello world, JavaScript is found. The text from welcome paragraph is hello world. Okay. You can find HTML elements with tag name. For example, I use var x equal document dot get element by tag name paragraph, then document dot get element by ID, demo dot inner HTML equals the text from paragraph index 1 is plus x 1 dot inner HTML. Save, refresh. There's a problem, it should be get elements by tag name, and save, refresh. The text from paragraph index is JavaScript is fine. 0 1 0 1. Okay. If you want to find all HTML elements that match a specified CSS selector ID, class, names, types, attributes, values of attribute, etc., use the query selector all methods. For example, I set class intro and set class intro. I create a variable x equal document dot get dot query selector all its class, and use dot intro. You should use capital S and A, then document dot get element by ID, demo dot inner HTML equals index 0 paragraph is plus x 0 dot inner HTML. Save. If I refresh, index paragraph is hello world. Now I want to make a little more complex. I want to create a form and get all values. Create a form and set ID to frm, label first name, input type text, value author, label last name, input type text, and set a value jobbery, then input type submit, and value register. Save. Okay. Break line and set button, try it, then paragraph, list of values, and paragraph ID 4. Save. Okay. Now I delete this one. Function my function var x equal document dot form frm. Var text equal nothing, and var I equal no, not equals. I use the for loop for getting all values. Use for loop for getting all values. For I equals 0, then I less than x dot length I plus plus. then text adding x dot element I dot value, and plus break line, space. Okay, then at least document dot get element by id form dot inner html equals text. Save and refresh. If I click on I said unclick my function, save again, refresh. If I click on try it, there we go. Atef, Jabir, and register is values. We created a function that create a variable named x document.forms and get id of form, then var text to get all values, and var I for checking all values and counting how many values. Then use for loop for getting all values for I equals 0, then I less than x length, and I plus plus, increment each time. Then text plus equals x dot elements dot value, get all values here, and break line. Then show in this part document.get element by id form dot inner html text. Think about it. If you have questions about this, ask me on forum. Good luck. The HTML DOM allows JavaScript to change the style of HTML elements. How we can change style? For example, first another file 52. I create paragraph and ID P1, first paragraph, save, open in browser. ID P2, second paragraph, okay. Now set document dot get element by id, which one, p1, dot style dot color to be blue. Save, refresh, there you go. I want to change the font family of second paragraph. Copy this one and use p2 dot style dot font family equals Arial. Save, refresh, there you go. And I want change size style dot font size larger. Save, refresh, there you go. Now it's challenge for you. Create a new h1 tag and write something. Then create a button that when I click on button, the color of h1 tag change to red. Good luck. Okay, I hope you did it as well. It's very simple. I create a paragraph h1 and set ID h1 color. This is h1 tag. Save. Okay. And then set function change color use document.get element by ID. What is the ID? h1 color dot style dot color red, and set button here. Unclick, change color function, save, refresh, and change color, save, refresh. If I click on change color, the color is red. The last thing that I want to show you in this lecture is hide and show text. I delete this one and a paragraph, set ID hide show, and some text is here. A function hide document dot get element by ID hide show dot style dot visibility equals hide equals hidden. Create another function show, use this line, and visibility is visible. Create a button, on click, hide, copy this one, show, and show function. Save, refresh. If I click on hide, nothing happens. The problem is by B is capital, should be capital, and save. If I refresh, click on hide text. If I click on show text. Fantastic. I will see you in next lecture. Good luck. In this lecture, I want to create an animation with HTML and JavaScript done. First, we build HTML structure. Save 3. DOM animation, open in browser, and use button, on click, click me button. I will set on click later, div set ID container and create another div, set ID animate. Okay. A style HTML style, container with 400 pixels, height 400 pixels too, and the position should be relative, and background color yellow. Save, Okay, then animate with 50 pixels, height 50 pixel too, and the position should be in absolute, and background color is red. Save. There you go. Now set JavaScript code. Create a variable where x equals document dot get element by ID and animate, where position equals 0, 0 is here, and I want set this in function move, and then set this. I create another function in function move, function frame, I want set 350 because I want end movement in button right. Here is 350, and if I should set if position equals 350, then I want to stop it, stop the movement, and use clear interval. What is clear interval? The clear interval method clears a timer set with the set interval method. It means that stop moving. It means that stop moving. Else position plus plus and x dot style dot top equals position plus pixels x dot style dot left equals position plus pixels. Then I should create a variable where ID set interval and frame function set time to end, set 5. The set interval method calls a function or evaluates an expression at specified intervals. Okay, then and now set the move function to my button, move function. My button. Save, refresh. If I click on click me, nothing happened. Okay, check and find your problem. The problem is here. I should set two equals. Save, refresh, and if I click me, there you go. If I set 60, click me, and out of the square, big square. Okay, and if I want change the speed to 10 milliseconds, save, refresh, and slower. If I change to 1, there you go, it's very fast. Okay, fantastic. You learned how to create a simple animation with JavaScript and HTML done. Good luck. In this lecture, I want to talk about the DOM event listener. The add event listener method attaches an event handler to the specified element. I create a file, save as a file 4, and delete all of them. Okay, DOM event listener, save, open in browser. Okay, the syntax is here: element dot add event listener event function. This is the syntax. I create a button set ID my btn, try it, save, refresh. Okay, use document dot get element by ID my btn dot add event listener. What is my event is click, then function. I use function, my function alert hello world. Click on my function, save. If I refresh and click on try it, alert hello world. You can add events of different types to the same element. For example, I delete this one, create a paragraph, the ID is test, var x equals document dot get element by ID my btn, then x dot add event listener mouse over my function. What is the function? My function and document dot get element by ID test dot inner HTML plus equals mouse over and br tag. Use plus to type this several times. I use plus for it, and x dot add event listener, click create another function my second function document dot get element by ID test dot inner HTML plus equals clicked and I want my second function create function, my third function document dot get element by ID test dot inner HTML equals plus equals mouse out break line and copy this one mouse out use my third function, semicolon, this and semicolon for this, save, mouse out, mouse over, out, if I click, out, over, out, click, there you go. Fantastic. Please practice, and if you have any problems, ask me on forums. I will see you in next section. Good luck.